How to Start Dropshipping on eBay with CJ Dropshipping Complete Guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. Today I bring you with another CJ Dropshipping tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can use CJ Dropshipping with your eBay store. Now, first of all, I'm going to be getting into what CJ Dropshipping is, what dropshipping does, and how you can use CJ Dropshipping, how you can sign up with it. And once I've done all that, then I'm going to explain to you how you can use eBay, how you sign up to it, what the main basics are of eBay. And I'm also going to show you how you can connect your CJ Dropshipping to your eBay and how you can list items through it. So we're just going to go through all of that, and it's going to be very easy. I'm going to explain it in the most simple steps possible. And just don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll probably know how you can use CJ Dropshipping on your eBay account. So let's get into it. So first of all, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go on eBay. Now, once we go on ebay.com, if you're not familiar with how ebay.com works, ebay.com is like any other online store, and you just see or buy any product you want over here. Now, if you want to start selling through CJ Dropshipping on eBay, you're obviously going to want to have to sign in. So to sign in, we're going to go up here and we're going to click on register. Now, once we click on register, we're just going to go in and start putting in our information. Now, obviously, remember to put in a proper information. You can either be a business account or personal account, whatever you like. In the business account, it has to show that you are a legit business and you are a nonprofit business and you regularly sell a large number of goods. But right now, we're just going to do personal account because it is a personal account. I'm not doing this for business purposes. So we're just going to put in our email where we have put in our name, and I'm going to put in my password, something I can remember. And once I've done all that, I'm just going to go and create account. Please remember to put in your correct information because you don't want it to be something you don't remember or anything. So once you've done all that, what you're going to want to do is either you can just go on sell. You can either just click on sell and start selling items, or what you can do is you can go through all of these products that you see in front of you. For example, let's go on electronics. Okay, and on electronics, let's go on computers. And once we're on computers, let's go to PC laptops. And now that we're here, here are all these products right in front of you. Now, if you see a product that you're interested in, you're just going to go and click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to come to this page. You're going to come to this interface. Now, once you're on this interface, it's going to be a bit difficult to find a product, but you're going to come on this interface and it's going to say, once you're on this interface, it's going to say sell this product yourself. So you're just going to go and look up a product that you can either sell it yourself or you can just sell a proper product on eBay. Now, once you've done that, or you've found a product that you can go ahead and sell yourself, because what I mean by sell yourself is you're just going to click on it, and when you scroll down on the interface, you're going to see a prompt that says sell it yourself. What that does is the product you're seeing in front of yourself, you can do marketing for it in a way, and you can sell it yourself if you want to. So you can just put it up, you can place the price, basically a type of marketing technique. So once you do that, what you're going to do is you're either going to go on your My eBay and you're going to go on your selling products, or you can just search up the product that you're selling, and from there on out, you're properly selling your product. Now, how can you put it on your CJ Dropshipping? Now, for that, obviously, we're going to want to connect our CJ Dropshipping to our Shopify. Obviously, for that, we're going to want to connect the CJ Dropshipping to our eBay. So for that, first of all, we're going to get into CJ Dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what CJ Dropshipping is, CJ Dropshipping is this amazing dropshipper warehouse that dropships from worldwide to worldwide. And what dropshipping basically does is that if a store like eBay itself or Amazon ships a product in like 30 to 50 days, CJ Dropshipping will ship it in like the least amount of days you can imagine. So we're just going to go to CJ Dropshipping. Now, once we wait for it to load up, now once CJ Dropshipping loads up, obviously you're going to want to go ahead and register for it. Now, to register for the CJ Dropshipping, you're obviously going to need to put in your email and your proper information. For now, just going to use a temporary email. Obviously, you can use a proper one if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and put in that. Then I'm going to go and put in my password. Go here and put in my password again. Once all of that is done, we're just going to fulfill the information it requires of us. There we go. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to do that, and we're going to click on next. We're going to choose a username for ourselves. It can be anything. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to put in your name, obviously. And once you put in your name, you're going to put in your phone number if you want to. I think it's optional. If it's not optional, just go ahead and put it in. It doesn't really matter. You're just going to put that in, and you're going to click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, what will happen is it will just verify your account, and it's going to take you through the registration. And as you can see, registration success, and here it gives you a user questionnaire. Which platform are you running your store on now? So obviously you're going to put in eBay because you're using eBay. Now, if you're using any other e-commerce site like Shopify, WooCommerce, Lazada, Shopee, Shoplaza, you can choose those if you want to, but I don't really have any use for that right now. And how many orders do you need to process per day? You're just going to put as many orders you have and what categories of products you mainly market. You can choose any product that you're gonna drop ship, and then you're just gonna go ahead and click on submit. And once you do that, your account will properly verify itself and create. Now, once your account is created, what you're gonna want to do to connect it to your eBay is go on My CJ. And once you go on My CJ, what you're gonna want to do is we're just gonna wait for it to load up. And once it loads up, we're going to see, as you can see over here on the left side, we're going to see this taskbar. We're going to see these different functions and ribbons. In the bottom, you're going to see store authorization, and you're just going to click on that. And over here, you're going to see different stores like Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce, ShipStation API. We're going to obviously want to go on eBay. And once we click on eBay, here it says add your store. So obviously we're going to click on add store, and we're going to put in our eBay store name. So we're just going to go on eBay, and you're going to go on my eBay, and you're going to click on summary. What by this happens is obviously you're going to want to create an eBay store for yourself. Now, once you've created your eBay store, you're going to get a proper eBay store domain name. So once you've come here and you've created your eBay store properly, what's going to happen is obviously you're going to get a domain name for your eBay store. And once you've gotten that, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to paste it over here. And that's going to be obviously your domain name is going to be your store name. And once you do that, you're just going to click on authorize. And once you click on authorize, what's going to happen, it's going to redirect you to your eBay store, and it's going to give you these prompts that are you sure you want to authorize, or are you sure you want to connect? You're obviously going to yes them all. You're going to verify yourself, and once that has happened, your eBay store will properly be authorized with your CJ Dropshipping. Now, once that happens, if you come down on products and you go on connections, what's going to happen is you're going to start connecting your CJ Dropshipping products to your eBay products. And if you don't see them, you can just click on add automatic connection. And once you click on add automatic connection, what's going to happen is you're going to put in your store. For example, you're going to put in your eBay store, and once you put in your eBay store, you're just going to click on sync. And once you click on sync, what's going to happen is it's going to sync them together, and all the products that you have sold or you are selling on your eBay store will start showing over here, and then you can just start using CJ Dropshipping for them. And if you want to know how you want to import using CJ Dropshipping once the item is sold, I have a different video on that. You can just go and check it out on my channel. So yeah, that's about it. That's the main basic gist of how you can use CJ Dropshipping on eBay. And I hope you found this video easy, and I hope you liked the tutorial. If you have any problems or queries, let me know down in the comments, and I will help you and get back to you. If you want to see more tutorials like this regarding dropshipping, please let me know. I'll make those videos for you. And yeah, till then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. and share this video with anyone who needs help with dropshipping. Comment on the video if you liked it, and yeah, that's basically about it. I hope you all keep having a great day. I'll see you next time. Then that's all from me. Goodbye.